Bonjour à tous. Today let's have a look at Passé Récent. Now what is Passé Récent? It talks about the near past, something that just happened. Easiest tense in French language. It's as easy as futur proche. And just in case if you don't know how to make sentences using futur proche, then click on the link above and you'll be good to go. So let's have a look at the sentences from Passé Récent. How are these sentences going to look? It talks about the recent past. For example, I just ate an apple. We just bought a house. So all the sentences which are going to include the word just are going to fall under this category. So let's have a look at the formation of this. The formation is subject plus venir in simple present tense. So yes, it's really important to learn the conjugation of venir plus de or d apostrophe. Now that depends upon our verb. So if our verb is starting with a vowel, then we are going to use d apostrophe. For example, verbs like écouter or habiter. Yes, the verbs which are starting with a silent h are also going to fall under the same category. Plus the infinitive verbs. Now what are the infinitive verbs? For example, manger. So that in its pure form, M-A-N-G-E-R, the entire verb without conjugation, that is the infinitive form of the verb. Now let's have a look at the conjugation of venir in simple present tense. It's je viens, tu viens, il vient, elle vient, on vient, nous venons, vous venez, ils viennent, elles viennent. Okay, now let's see this verb manger and let's try to conjugate this in passé récent. So it's going to be je viens de manger, tu viens de manger, il vient de manger, elle vient de manger, on vient de manger, nous venons de manger, vous venez de manger, ils viennent de manger, and elles viennent de manger. So do you see? We have just conjugated the verb venir in all these cases. Manger remains the same. We are not conjugating manger to eat. So it's going to be like I just ate, you just ate. So something that recently happened. Alright? Okay, let's have a look at few examples. The first one, they just sang a song. Ils viennent de chanter une chanson. So over here also I have just conjugated venir and added de to it. Now in the second sentence, they just drank tea. So to drink, that is boire. Now we have to convert that into the passé récent form. So it's going to be nous venons de boire du thé. Nous venons. So again we have just conjugated venir and added de to it. And boire, that remains the same. Third sentence. So over here the conjugation should be of to bring, that is acheter, and that is starting with a vowel. So what are we going to do? We are going to use d apostrophe. So elle vient de acheter une voiture. Alright, again only the conjugation of venir. Acheter remains the same, and instead of using de we have used d apostrophe over here because we are using the verb which is starting with a vowel. The fourth sentence, I just saw a plane. Je viens de voir un avion. Over here also again we have only conjugated the verb venir. Très bien. I hope this concept was clear, and if it was, and if you liked the video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for the future videos. A bientôt!